এর হজন আছে 7 জন আজু 7 জন গুলি নাকি Hazan. And the language of Madara to what is the main purpose of data analysis? Data analysis of that's the main purpose key. And there are two option how side go into go choice grab multiple choice to collect more data, to clean and store data, to extract meaningful insight from data. And number 4 to create new data sets. And then are the option side go. And we need to choose one. In
Assalamualaikum. जी आसन तारा हो दिया एडे सबमिट करी बाद प्लीज वेट फॉर द प्रेजेंटर है राय नेकी
Aibo bhai, aibo gaya. Please wait
boy
for the presenter to share sara.
And result as record goriyo ne result record goriyo no endele anatere join ide hozen join ide 21 aji 21 ni join ide endele tomara tu question ki hoidi ando hole suma bujawurbo data analysis of the main purpose ki no era option homara tu side go ene endele option side go tu we need to choose one at 30 second আছে দুনিয়া 30 second endele dai goro that 20 second আছে you have 20 second okay Ora beginning guliwa jono ne beginning guliwa jono
Ji masih tu
okay okay and the liver finish ne and the number 2 mother hode two mother hoজন গুলিwa jodia guliwa le morno guliwa le gul নহলে hoyo no two mother hode in research mother bole why is data interpretation important kella data interpretation hodi am bolo research ma kella important de and the option we have four option it ensures data is stored safely number 2 it converts raw data into meaningful finding number 3 it replaces Asha tino inigi
Yes, এখানে আসছে
Ashana
yes
tuma hodon guli hajo dia tora fleshur ma buza hurbu da haratu ki hode research mode bole in research why is data interpretation important data interpretation hodi ba research ma kella important nendo haratu option howa side goa we need to choose one ne ere hojon ashe 35 জন 35 yes 35. Mm-hmm. Really? Combine raw data. Meaningful findings. Okay. The 13th. Inule, flash room made, Tonaramu again and again, Barbarki Hamor. We need to understand the question.
Master, the number one number share करना दे link.
Any link share or link the number of the ano begin like can for technology for link account. For is assessment only one link. You can enter using the first link. It has an shade 20, 10, 24, 25. And Muntor Homodi, you have only 30 seconds now. Only 30 seconds.
Dimensions question goes on.
30 seconds, 29, 29 at the 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay. Receive to tell 31 response. Okay. Number 3 assessment. Number 3. Number 3 mother hot there. A frequency bully distribution. And a frequency hot there or the frequency distribution. Table health in option. We have 4 options. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Cleaning data, summarizing data, collecting data, storing data. First, try to clear the question. Question or clear sai saya sai. You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. A frequency distribution table has in options. We need to choose one. Multiple choice.
Master, screen hide করে হারালে গম হলা দে
Saya na. Okay, done. Number next. Next one mother hode, which is an example of primary data. Primary data is example. Option hoa side go data from government census maxwell and example data collected by a researcher through surveys. Number 3, data found in books. Number 4, data from previous research. And then we need to choose one. We need to choose only one. You have more than 1 minute. You have more than 1 minute. Primary data that's example keyboard no, which is an example of primary data. Primary data that's example key. Primary data example key. You have 4 options. Choose one according to your that's understanding. In the option data from government census, data collected by a researcher through surveys, data found in books. Number 4, data from previous research. You have 20 seconds. You have 20 seconds, okay? Less than 20 seconds. Okay, done. The record is the result is recorded in here. And the next slide. Next slide. Next slide motherhood there. What is the mean by data reliability? Or the data reliability how the anki mean bono? Data reliability how the Yanor flash mark to we have 4 options. Number 1, data that is available in multiple formats. Data that produce content results. Data that is difficult to access. Data shared in secure servers. Okay? Choose one option. Okay? Choose one option. And the data reliability ho diyan. Kyorobo hobo no? What is mean by data reliability? Okay? You have more than 1 minute. More than 1 minute. You have 30 seconds. Saya aja question mother grade honova. Saya aja semester 2 mother as a grade hone balaguri fayan. Aja da se access gora da udire ne. Tora begin ore. Semester 2 da siba. Tora la kan da se dhor kan opportunity ya. Final zahari wallah. Okay, done. Ne? Next, we are going to move. Next slide. Next slide to motherhood there. Which analysis predicts future trends? In the line 2, we have 4 options. We have 4 options. Number 1, I can remember where is I go. Descriptive, predictive, diagnostic, interpretive. And then we have 4 options. We need to choose one. These are multiple choice. We need to choose one. And then which analysis will predict future trends? On analysis no? That's a future trends or that's in the research predicts no? And after we have 4 options. We need to choose one. We need to choose one. You have more than 1 minute. You have because this is time limitation very certain time limited. You have more than 1 minute. You have more than 1 minute. Saya na tora semester 2 ma dasa hudur performance gorivaro ne tora performance dasa hudur oi tora understanding ne hudur yanoro de assess gora da budire ne mainly You have 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds. And then I to it dark no dark diva no dark no you hear which analysis predicts future trend growth. Ah,
মানে অপশন আছে যে 0 to 10 পর্যন্ত টানি দিব দেনে যে
মাসে যে এবার কোশ্চেন স্কিম বজে যে এবার না বুঝি যে এবার লাগারে দিম দে
Mia, section of mother, assessment, assessment. I cannot explain anything. Okay,
জি মাসে যে
it's done. Finish.
করতে পারলাম যে এটা যে কোশ্চেন
You are
যে
recording you.
অপশন আছে যে এটা যে কে টানি দিবার আছে যে এটা যে মানে 0 to 10 পর্যন্ত টানি দিবার আছে অপশন আছে দোয়া
Nah, ya, no, Hundilla, Hurdia, Hurbian Sasana. And Dule, Tan. Out of the process of drawing conclusions from analyzed data is called, we have 4 options. Number 1, data cleaning. Number 2, data visualization. Number 3, data interpretation. Number 4, data entry. And first, you need to understand the question. The process of drawing conclusion from analyzed data is called, choose one. You have more than 1 minute. You have more than 1 minute. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. You have 20 seconds. You have 20 seconds. Okay? Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds.
তো ইবা ফাইলে যে দিনা জানে লাদ দিবে মাসে যে দিনা জানে লাদ দিবে
I have no idea. After the event assessment, even record, grading record. I cannot explain anything. Anything here. Okay, this is an assessment. Okay, done. Next slide. What is a histogram used for? We have 4 options here. Option 1, showing proportions. Option 2, showing distribution of numerical data. Option 3, comparing 2 variables. Number 4, displaying text data. Choose one. You have 1 minute. You have less than 1 minute.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Mahal ada gua skin dah ada dia. Ada best. Best ada kira begun kira dah ini kira. Yang dah hana ada lemo.
Okay, done. Next slide. Next slide, mother hot there. In data analysis, a variable refers to your order. Sai, on a few. Sai. We have four options. Number one, a constant value. Number two, a measurable characteristic that can change. Number three, a fixed data set. Number four, a non-numerical factor only. And they chose one. Yeah? Multiple choice. You have 1 minute.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kenal yang kata saudara, net disturb jadi.
Era 7 বছর মাগিনে মারে লিঙ্ক হওয়ার দিব না এনে মরো হবর নিকে done. Time up. Endole. Which of the following best describes data analysis? Endola tu era side go kiriye multiple choice. Option 1, 2, 3, and 4. Collecting data randomly, turning raw data into useful information, destroying unused data, guessing outcomes based on experience. Ne? Taina semester 2 मा दासे तुम्हारा ग्रेड हो रहा है प्लेयर बेस भी वेरी You have 20 seconds only. Only 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds. Ne? Okay, next slide. Next slide, mother hode. Which of the following is not a step in data analysis? And the we have four options: data collection, data cleaning, data interpretation, data destruction. Choose one. You have less than 1 minute. Many of you losing grade. Ne? Just don't forget, many of you losing grade. I mean the points. Ne?
Masha in a in or a best very great Google form lolo great with Bala. In sure submit in no eva out good in our
At begin, after everything is being recorded. At begin the government on almost how I'm beginning. Only there, I mean the result only visible only for presenter. Ne? Time up.
dot হয়ে দিয়া dot লাগাই দিয়া নেটে সাবমিট অন নর
Ne?
ধরি
Time up. Next slide. Next
Ato
slide. What is the first step in data analysis? And the first step বলে data analysis মধ্যে কি? What is the first step in data analysis? Data visualization, data interpretation, data collection, hypothesis testing. Choose one. You have more than 1 minute. Choose only one. And first, we need to understand the question. What is the first step in data analysis? Or the data analysis is the first step key. And data analysis is the first step key. And we have 4 options. Number 1, 2, and 3. Time up. Time up. Next slide. Which type of data uses numbers for measurement? And then we have 4 options. 1, qualitative. 2, quantitative. 3, descriptive. 4, nominal. Choose one. You have more than 1 minute. You have 20 seconds. Time up. For the data interpretation mainly involves, we have 4 options. Storing data in database, analyzing data meaning, collecting new data, ignoring outliers. Choose one. Interactive मध्ये इव्हन मध्ये एक्झॉन द्वारे बनना एक्झॉन द्वारे बनना Her first answer मध्ये मिनिट युद्ध मॉनिटर second on fast आगे दिए बोनो and then we have first answer to like I say we need to understand the question data interpretation of that mainly involves key bono यानर वेलेसु मारतो बुजाउरु बेगिनुतु time up okay write a research question about current situation and then on current situation about it on any topic you can write a topic in 2 minutes write a topic in 2 minutes write a topic in 2 minutes about current situation and the current situation tomorrow best as a research learner of course you can understand what kind of question you need to write research question academically Rohingya children are facing formal education from NGOs. Okay. Number 2, ongoing challenge for Rohingya youth to access higher education. Okay. Number 3, the ongoing Rohingya struggles on climate change. Okay. Number 4, barrier to higher education for refugee youth. Number 5, Rohingya youth are deprived from accessing higher education in Bangladesh refugee camps. Number 6, what is the difference between etymology of qualitative research? The key reason of heinous crimes in camps. Describe your life in the refugee camps. The impact of basic school closure within refugee camps. Severe health condition in Rohingya refugee camps. How are climate related disaster worsening the living conditions of Rohingya refugees. The current struggle, hardship, and difficulties of new arrival Rohingya refugee camps. Number 13. What are the major challenges that the Rohingya face in accessing higher education? The limitation of education in Rohingya refugee camps. Is the issue of Rohingya minority being addressed coordinating with Myanmar governments? Education crisis for Rohingya children in camps. Number 17. Rohingya marginalized people are always in danger, like kidnapping, gambling, destruction, and human trafficking is increasing. How have global inflation trends in 2025 affected food security in low and middle income countries? Number 19. Impact of the 2025 funding crisis on educational access for Rohingya refugees children in Cox's Bazar. The Rohingya Internet and Higher Educational Crisis. Current leadership of Rohingya. Oh Mari. Inclusive education for Rohingya students. Challenge of Rohingya children in the refugee camps. As the camps are increasing gradually, conflict and mainly children are facing with education process. Why cannot Rohingya students access higher education in camps? The root of Rohingya generation and their persecution. How does the climate change affect the Rohingya refugee? The Rohingyas are starving in Akan, even no water available. In the refugee camps, facing challenge to live due to heavy rainfall, raining, and slide and flood. In the current situation, research questions are designed to deeply explore people's reality challenge and hopes, especially in conflict and displaced contexts. The importance of education for Rohingya children. What are the main barriers to accessing healthcare service for refugees in camps? How we can stop child marriage? Time up in camps. Okay, very good, well done. How is the currency crisis impacting access to education for Rohingya children in refugee camps? Why all the Rohingya cannot cash a road that indicates their future lives better? Why our Rohingya people give priority to early marriage? Oh my goodness. The current situation of camp is very critical that we are facing in camp. All learners are not able to get access, not only youth, but also children as all the schools are closed due to budget shortage. Very sad. Rohingya children are facing formal education from NGOs. Okay. Next. What does data cleaning refer to? And the data cleaning how do you like when we have four options. Number one, that deleting all data, transferring that data into usable form, formatting text, saving data in cloud storage. Okay, let's see. You have more than 1 minute. First, you need to understand the question. The question. Try to clear the question. Understand the question. What does data cleaning? Data cleaning of the keeper, no? No, we have four options. We need to choose one. This is a multiple choice. We need to choose one. Time up. Next slide. Which chart is most suitable to show proportions? And there are four charts. Option 1, 2, and 1, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there is line chart, pie chart, a scatter plot, histogram. Now we have four options. We need to choose one. Many of you losing point. Seriously, many of you. You all need to study. Every after 2 weeks, I submitted a book just to review the book, and submit feedbacks, discuss together in your teams. We have almost like 10 teams, and then you all need to discuss to each other every day, at least 30 to 1 hour. Try to discuss, review the books, and submit feedbacks. It's important. You have less than 1 minute. And then after section option we have 4 options. Number 1, 2, and 3, 4. Line chart, pie chart, scatter plot, histogram. And which chart is most suitable to show proportions? Time up. Next slide. A researcher wants to find patterns in past sales. Which analysis is suitable? And we have 4 options here. Number 1, predictive analysis. Diagnostic analysis. Number 3, descriptive analysis. Number 4, prescriptive analysis. And then choose one. You have more than 1 minute. Try to understand the question. Don't just simply give the answer, okay? Don't just simply click the option, okay? There are 4 options. First, try to understand the question. You have less than 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Time up. Next slide. Or the write a word about today's section. Any word you can write, okay? Section about it. Any word you can write. Any word. Write a word about today's section. So it means, how was the section? How do you feel now? And what you learn? You have more than 1 minute. Competitive. Oh my God. Competitive. Yes, exactly. Yes. The one who wrote competitive, very nice. Yes, it's very competitive because it is quite challenging, it's quite challenging. It's not easy, okay? A helpful, essential section. You have less than 20 minutes. You have less than 20 minutes. Yes. Yes. Is there any interesting word that I'm really looking for? Let me read all the word. Very interesting word, like very unique one, that people use very rarely. Okay, time off. Okay, next slide. What is the key difference between qualitative and quantitative data? And we have 4 options. Number 1, quantitative is text-based, qualitative is numbers. Number 2, quantitative uses numbers, qualitative uses words. Number 3, Both are the same. Number 4, qualitative is always inaccurate. You know? I mean, this is very simple, okay? This is very simple. Okay, let me see. This slide, this slide is very, very simple. You know? Very, very simple. You have less than 30 seconds. You know? Okay, time up. Next slide. Or the outliers in data refer to, we have 4 options. 1, missing data points. Number 2, average values. Number 3, extremely high or low values. Number 4, repeated values. Choose one. And the outlier in data refer to, Tara mo kitab dunia thori review bujona. Data analysis or baote, data interpretation and analysis or baote. Tara kitab review bujona. If you review, I mean the book, very simple question iba. Very simple. Ne? Very simple. You have less than 1 minute. You have 20 seconds. 26 or the 27 extremely high or low values. Okay. Time up. Hey, how was the section today? How do you feel? What do you want to describe? I mean, in words, okay? How was the section today? And there's one interesting. The section was very complicated. Why? What makes you complicated? Why? This section was very effective, creative, interesting, fruitful, remarkable, wonderful, very helpful, informative, insightful, creative. Okay, let me see a very unique word to use. Okay, it was challenging. Okay, time up. Next slide. Number next slide. What is the purpose of data visualization? And data visualization of that's the purpose key. And we have 4 options to make data more complex, to represent data graphically for easy understanding. Number 3, to remove irrelevant data. Number 4, to analyze only numerical data. And then we have 4 options. Choose one. the purpose of data visualization. You have more than 1 minute to access your understanding. You have more than 1 minute. Begin to represent data graphically for easy understanding. Acha. Okay, time up. Google Form lo আছে access করা যাবে না I know that তোরা beginning এবার quiz দিলে beginner want the best দিবল না just why তাকে একজন তো বুঝিবার মান শিখিবার মান মানে ইনর quiz লোক আমত তিন দিলা এটা আছে Google Form বলে গরা যাইব দে বেশি আছে মানে হনিকে তাকে আছে সাইন হওয়ার মান কুশল নেওয়ার মান মানে within a very time limit আমাদের মানে next slide. Okay.
And next
This is the
next
end
one
of the
is
presentation.
पूरा ये जे
Okay. So, thora tu yala I recording slide ne. Thora tu yala Asia section ibam madhe kono ki difficulties ne ki mushkil kol ne thora understanding thora এটা আছে choose goram madhe thora tu time ne time limitation as ne we have a very certain limited time for each slide only 2 minutes. Can they only 2 minutes? তো রেকর্ড কি বাদ আছে আই রেকর্ড আজ দিমাস যে রেকর্ড আছে আজ ডাইরেক্টলি বিগিনার দিমিনে কোন পয়েন্ট পাই দেব না তেহনলে আরাতেরে কুলো হালে টোটাল 41 পার্টিসিপেন্ট ওকে তো তোমরা তো হাত তো কোন দিলা কি মুশকিল কো তোমরা কুইজ দাস হাজ উইল লাইভ ইন দিলা ইন্টারেক্টিভ গরে দত মানে তোমরা তো কি চ্যালেঞ্জ দিন কল আছে কি মুশকিল কল আছে তোমরা বুঝি পাইছো না বুঝি কি না পারো ইনলা ইনর দাসে তোমরা তো অ্যাক্সেস করা করব আদো দাহাই মাই নে আই এর হুদুনরে ডিমোটিভেট করতে না চাই নে বেগিনর দাহাই মাই নে কোন হদ্দু রেজাল্ট পাই দিয়া নে এর বেগিন এক দিলে আছে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং প্রত্যেক একজন হনো হুদুনো তো ট্যালেন্ট আছে হুদুনো তো ট্যালেন্ট নাই হুদুনো তো মেহনত করে হুদুনো মেহনত না করে মানে প্রত্যেক না তো ব্যালেন্স
স্যার মেন সময় চলছে স্যার রে
নে
জি স্যার স্পেশালি আর উলাম মাঝে মেন সময়
তো হনকে তো হতবা তাই লেভেলে শুরু মধ্যে raise your hand so that I can give the floor ne to one by one ne to honke to hoinila mushkil bezu je onan dila asne
জি আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ
now wait and endle I that as your live interactive iba goragire tomar understanding ore tomar study re তাকে তোমারা মুমিকে যাই midterm assessment গরর ফাইনাল প্রজেক্ট কেঙ্গুলি কিবা no তিনর কেঙ্গু ডিজাইন করিবা ইয়ানরে করি বললা ইবা করাই দইনে তো বিজ্ঞানী সুন্দর উত্তর দিয়ে আমরা তোমার বিজ্ঞানী জাযাকাল্লাহ শুকরিয়া বিজ্ঞানী ইয়া হাতু কি আছে দিয়ে তোমার বিজ্ঞানী হয়ে যাবে না